guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me again. For this haul, I picked up few items and this can be a good way to roll some of your extra care box if they're expiring, or you can add everything I have here as part of 10 of 70 next purchase CRT or 10 of 60 next purchase CRT. I'm going to start this off with a Moneymaker CoverGirl deal. CoverGirl is on the deal of buy 2, get $4 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. I'm going to pick up 2 of the CoverGirl Perfect Blend pencils, priced at $5.79 each. And 2 of them are going to total $11.58. Today we received a $3 mystery offer, and I also used 2 of the $3 coupon that we got from 211 savings set. With the coupons and the mystery offer, it's going to drop it down to $2.58. I'll pay that and get $4 extra care box back, making both items free and a $1.44 money maker. The next deal I'll add before I check out will be on the KitKat share packs. They're on sale for 2 for $9, and when you buy 2, you get $2 extra care box back. I'll pick up 2, and we received a 3 off 2 CRT that will drop it down to $6. I'll pay the $6 and get $2 back, making both packs just $4 or $2 each. I checked out the KitKat deal and the CoverGirl deal together in the same transaction, and this transaction went very well. The coupons applied, the CoverGirl paper coupons and the mystery offer, and the 3 off 2 for the KitKat came off as well. I used $8 extra care box to pay for this, paid 58 cents out of pocket, and I got back $4 for buying 2 of the CoverGirl products and a $2 back for buying 2 of the KitKat packs. The next deal I'm picking up is when you spend $10, you get $4 extra care box on any Neutrogena acne care, and I'm going to pick up the oil-free acne wash, priced at $10.99. This is different from the product I showed in the video I posted early Sunday morning. In case you've not seen that video, check it out because I have more deals there. In our app, we have a $4 digital coupon, and I also have a 3 off 10 Neutrogena facial care CRT that will drop it down to $3.99. I'll pay that and get $4 extra care box back, making this item free. I did this deal by itself. As you can see, I used a $4 extra care box, which was adjusted down to $3.99, and I got my $4 extra care box back. If you still have the Oral-B toothbrush that is priced at $1.49 but on sale for $1.34, pick up 4. The 5 off 3 digital coupon we have is going to apply and leaving you to pay just 36 cents, making all 4 of them 36 cents or 9 cents each. I'll pick up the Crest mouthwash that is part of the spend 10, get $4 extra care box back, and this is a limit of 2. This mouthwash is priced at $8.79, and I also pick up the toothbrush priced at $5.79. The last item I will add to get me to $20 will be the Crest toothpaste priced at $5.99. These 3 items are going to total $20.57. I have a 5 off 3 Crest digital coupon. I have another 3 off 2 Crest digital coupon. I think we received this digital coupon last 2 weeks, and another $1 digital coupon that will also double dip. These 3 coupons will take off $9. I have a 4 off 20 Crest CRT that will help with this deal. After all these coupons and the CRT apply, it will leave me to pay just $7.57, and I'll get my $8 extra care box back because I'm doing this deal twice. And that will make this transaction free and a 43 cents money maker. This transaction worked out very well. The 5 off 3 came off, the 3 off 2 came off, and the $1 came off as well, and the 4 off 20 CRT applied. I ended up using $4 extra care box, paid $3.57 out of pocket, and I got back $8 for doing this deal twice, which ended up making this transaction free and a 43 cents money maker. The last deal I did is the spend 20 get $10 back, and Real Technique Cosmetics too is part of this deal. I picked up the Everyday Essential, priced at $19.99. I did not use any percentage of CRT because I don't want to pay much out of pocket. What I did was use my extra care box and paid 53 cents plus tax out of pocket, and I got back $10 extra care box back, making it just $9.99. If you did not watch the video I posted earlier on, I suggest you check it out because you'll find more deals there. And this concludes my video for now, and I'll talk to you all next time.